Hey everyone, so here's another update on my Amazon ads campaign. So I only have 2 running right now, Lottery Ad 1 and Lottery Ad 2. So I believe that Lottery Ad 1 is going to be planners for 2022, and then Lottery Ad 2 are all my scrapbook paper books, which are currently my best sellers. So I'm pretty sure that's what they are. So looking through here, I've had a good amount of impressions, and so for the date range, looks like I'm doing last 30 days. You can see like the graph here. So I've had 2,600 impressions about between them both. This scrapbook paper is definitely getting more, but it has way more books in it. Like the planners only has 4, and the scrapbook paper has, I'm not even sure, but at least 20, I think. So looking at orders, I've only had orders for Lottery Ad 2, which definitely makes sense. I'm not really sure my planners are even going to sell, but we'll see how that goes. I know it's very, very competitive, and the ones that I have are in a pretty competitive niche, so I'm not going to really be worried if they don't sell. I just want to make sure I'm not spending a ton of money. So I've only spent 27 cents on that, so that's fine. Average cost per click, let's like 14. And then for the scrapbook paper, I've spent $2.59, but I've had 4 orders and $36.96 in sales. My ACOS is very low, 7.01%, so I'm extremely happy about that. I'm not sure how the average ACOS is 7.74 when I don't have any sales there. I wonder if it includes like the spending for that. I'm not sure. But my average click is 10 cents for the scrapbook paper and 11 cents overall. So I'm pretty happy with that. So I feel like that is a pretty good ACOS, and it seems really low as far as like my knowledge of ads goes. So I'm very happy with that. I know like 4 sales is anything crazy in the last 30 days, but that's 4 more sales that I may not have had, and it should just be helping my books organic rankings. So overall, super happy with how that's going. So I'm kind of just going to let them keep running. Right now I have them going until January 2nd. I think I'm going to change that and put it to, let's go until January. No, we're in June. We're not going to go all the way until June. Let's go back here. We'll go until, oh goodness, let's do the 7th. We'll go with that. Go back to June, January 7th. There we go. And we'll kind of just go from there. I don't like to have them out too far because honestly, I totally forgot about my ads, which is why I do this and have low budgets, because I completely forgot that they were running and checked them recently. I was like, oh, cool, I made some sales. So I'm really happy with the sales that are going on. Yeah, overall, there's not much else to report. I'm kind of just going to let them run and see what happens. I'll probably end up turning off the planner one if by the 7th there still are no sales, just because I honestly don't think they're really going to sell anyways. Like, I don't have A+ content right now, and I'm not really sure if they are different enough to make sales, but it's okay. We'll see what happens there. But for the scrapbook paper, I might try to keep that one year round, because honestly, I make sales year round on the scrapbook paper right now. And if I keep having a low ACOS like this, then I think that I'm definitely going to just keep it. I'm not entirely sure my exact royalties compared to ad spend, but I definitely should be in a profit for at least that campaign, especially with an ACOS at that level. And normally I make a decent amount of money on them. Some of the older ones, I'm only making $1 or $2 profit, but the newer ones, it's more like $3 or $4 profit. So it's all right. I think it should be fine. But here is my quick update. So thank you so much for watching and listening, and I hope that you have a great day.